Hey guys! If you've ever wondered how to configure ServiceMonster 6 to sync with Google Calendar, this is the video for you. Let's walk through the process together. It's likely, if you're wondering how to sync Google Calendar with ServiceMonster 6, that you already have a Google account. But if not, simply visit accounts.google.com/signup to do so. Once you have that set up, go with me to calendar.google.com. This will bring you directly to your Google Calendar. As a rule, ServiceMonster syncs one route to one Google Calendar. We do not recommend syncing ServiceMonster 6 with your main Google Calendar. So let me show you how to create additional Google Calendars in your account so you can sync them to ServiceMonster. Click the plus button next to Add a Friend's Calendar. Provides this drop-down where you can select New Calendar. Give the calendar a name. We suggest you name it the same as you would the route in ServiceMonster 6. Is it Route 1? Route 2? It just makes it easier to find and sync later. Once you're done, select Create Calendar. Notice it adds it to the sidebar. When you're ready to share this new calendar with your technicians, in the sidebar, click on your new calendar and select Share with Specific People. All you have to do is click Add People and type in each of your technicians' email addresses. After you do that, click Send. Repeat these steps to create a calendar for each route you desire. So let's go back to ServiceMonster 6 to sync this thing. Go to Marketplace in the Navigator. Select Google Calendar Integration. Select Configuration. Click on the green Grant Access to Google Account. Select the correct account. Select Allow. Simply use the drop-down to assign the correct Google Calendar to each route. And so forth. Once you're done, select Save Settings. Be sure you set your desired export date range. Any job found within this range will have a corresponding Google Calendar event created in the calendar for which the job's route was assigned. Once you've done that, click Export and the events will be created. And once all that's complete, your ServiceMonster schedule will be synced with Google Calendars. If you want to enable two-way synchronization, which means basically that changes made within Google Calendar will affect ServiceMonster 6 schedules and vice versa, simply select two-way synchronization. Save settings. To revoke the sync, all you have to do is click this yellow Revoke Access to your Google account. Click OK, and voila, super easy. Alrighty folks, more to come on Google Calendars, so stay tuned. Remember, if you have any more questions, you can rewatch this video at any time or contact our amazing support team. For more online training, please visit our website at www.servicemonster.net/help. We are here to help you.